So this is the Meet the Vowels board book. It has thick pages inside, just like a nice board book would have. And when you open it up, it starts to tell a story about the vowels. It says, if you're looking for a vowel, start with A. And then if you look at this book, you can see that there are other vowels hiding throughout the room. I can see I hiding, I can see U, I can see Y, E, I'm guessing that one's O. And the children are going to have to find these vowels. The next one says, if you're looking for a vowel, the next is E, and E jumps out. The fun thing about this book is that there's a song in the Meet the Letters video. And this is the book that goes with that song that teaches all of the vowels. And the book ends with a page that shows all the vowels. Now they're not hidden anymore. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. And here you can see all of the vowels. A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. You can also see a few fun hidden things on this page. You can see the character 2 from Meet the Numbers up in this picture. And you can see some T characters back here, which are trees. And then on the very back of the book, you see the letter I standing on a hill. And it shows you the other products that are available: DVDs, board books, flat books, coloring books, workbooks, easy reader books, eBooks, flashcards, placemats, and apps.